Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an image on a shape in Canva. This is such a fun and creative feature. It works for social media posts, presentations, or really any kind of visual project. And the best part is, it's super simple once you know where to look. So first, open up Canva and either start a new design or open one you're already working on. Once your canvas is ready, head over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. Inside Elements, scroll down until you see the Frame section. Frames are awesome because they let you drop an image directly inside a shape, like a circle, a square, or even something more creative like a heart or a star. If you click the See All button, you'll get the full collection to choose from. Pick a frame you like and drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it by pulling on the corners and move it around until it's exactly where you want it. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left. This is where you'll bring in your image. If it's already uploaded, you'll see it in the list. If not, just hit the upload button and bring it in from your computer or device. Now, here's the fun part. Take your image, drag it over the frame on your canvas, and drop it in. Canva will automatically clip the image to fit the shape perfectly. No cropping or manual adjustments needed. And that's really all it takes. By using frames, you can place images into any shape and instantly make your design look polished and professional. It's a quick way to add style and personality to your projects. So yeah, experiment with different shapes and images and you'll see just how much this feature can elevate your designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.